Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Charge the watch and keep your iPhone close. Once done, verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled and you're signed into iCloud. Pairing uses both services. Power on the watch and pick your language. When the animated pairing bubble appears, tap Start Pairing on the watch and the iPhone. Follow the on-screen camera-guided alignment or choose manual setup if the camera method fails. This gets you into the actual connection phase quickly. Once the iPhone recognizes the watch, you'll confirm core options. You can use the iPhone camera to center the watch face in the viewfinder for automatic pairing. Alternatively, tap manual setup and follow prompts. Choose Restore from Backup to bring back apps and settings, or set up as new if you want a fresh watch. Make sure both devices stay unlocked and nearby. You'll enter your Apple ID password and accept terms so features like Health, Messages, and Apple Pay can sync correctly. To finish, let the watch and iPhone complete the sync. This can take several minutes depending on backup size. You'll be prompted to set a passcode, enable Apple Pay, and confirm health and notification settings. Make choices that match your privacy and convenience needs. Once the watch displays your chosen face and apps are installed, you're done. If pairing fails at any point, restart both devices, ensure iOS and watchOS are up to date, and retry. Those steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.